Eelo 1885 Pro 14. Perfect for storage. The folding frame allows you to simply store the bike in the tightest of places, like under a work desk, boot of a car, or even into a carry bag when not in use, making the bike very manageable when storing. The frame is aluminium, keeping the bike incredibly lightweight at only 16.5 kilograms. Folded size: 60 cm x 38 cm x 58 cm. Improved battery performance. Our partnership with LG has led to the development of advanced battery management, which intelligently protects the battery from overstrain when cycling uphill or into strong winds. The battery sits in the central top tube, which protects the battery and will make charging far easier than most electric bikes. This in turn preserves the battery life much longer than most electric bikes. Our battery is capable of charging in 4 to 6 hours and can last up to 40 miles. Thumb throttle control, giving the rider complete control over how much assistance they want from the battery. The rider can choose to have very little assistance, or can let the battery do all the work, giving the cyclist an effortless ride without having to change gears, and reach up to 15 miles per hour. Multifunctional LCD display, designed to keep the rider aware of their current speed, current battery status and the outside temperature. The backlit display has also been designed to be completely waterproof. Key product features: safety in mind. Our Eelo bikes all come fitted with high-quality LED lights for night riding safety. Disc brakes also ensure bike's braking distance is reduced, adding to the safety of the rider. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.